New Year's resolutions to lose weight in 2020. A 15-minute weight loss. No diet or exercise. Have you made New Year's resolutions to lose weight when each new year rolls around only to end up breaking them a few weeks in? Do you wonder why it's so hard for you to lose weight? Would you feel fantastic if you could finally drop the fat and keep it off? Well, here's something exciting. There is a very real reason why you can't keep your New Year's resolution to lose weight, and the exciting part is that once you solve the real reason you can't do it, then you'll never need to make another resolution to lose weight again. Why you can't keep your New Year's resolution to lose weight? The number one reason you continue to fail to keep your yearly New Year's resolution to lose weight is because you do not have a weight loss mindset. How do I know? Because if you already had a weight loss mindset, then you wouldn't even make another New Year's resolution. A weight loss mindset gives you the easiest way to lose weight possible, and once you have that, then there is no more struggle. How can this be? Especially when you've been trained to believe that it is hard to lose weight, and which must be a battle. Here's why: your mindset is 90% of the reason you either fail or succeed with your weight. The little diet and exercise program is such a small part of the equation. It's a mere 10%. It's your mindset that makes you break your New Year's resolution, and it's your mindset that, if it's a weight loss mindset, will allow you to ease through the rest of your life without struggle with your weight. And I have the solution for you. Introducing a brand new offer for weight loss. 1. Not a diet or recipe offer, but if you are on a diet plan, this will not conflict with it. 2. Not an exercise or fitness offer. 3. 15 minutes of virtually effortless work. Introducing the 15-minute weight loss program. What is 15-minute weight loss program? The 15-minute weight loss program is an audio-based program that helps users to manage their weight through changes to the mindset, the subconscious mind. Our belief is that if a person doesn't truly believe in the subconscious that he or she can lose weight, they'll never be able to lose the weight they want. That's why we have so many people out there who've tried dozens of diet plans or exercise programs, but never achieve their desired weight. Either that or they'll reach their ideal weight, and then bounce back again in no time. The main program consists of 3 audio tracks of 15 minutes each, that are recorded with a layer of subliminal self-hypnosis by a clinical hypnotherapist, over high-quality nature sounds that are blended with brainwave entertainment beats, for an immersive and pleasant listening experience. Users will listen to each track for 1 week, before moving on to the next track, for a total of 21 days. Nothing else needs to be consciously done. Hence, this is a truly effortless weight loss program. I had no idea about this, but it turns out that we can often have subconscious blocks that are keeping the weight on, even when we're doing everything else right. That's one reason why you find some people who can't seem to lose weight no matter what they do. But that doesn't have to be your fate. This hypnotic process only takes 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes a day of this can help drop weight faster than many exercise and diet plans. Why? Because hypnosis can permanently change your subconscious mind so you're motivated to keep the weight off. Or it might help reset your metabolism so you don't hold extra fat out of subconscious guilt or shame. The fact is that there are many reasons we hold weight on that are very psychological. That's what makes hypnosis so magical. Special note: when listening to the tracks, the users may experience deep relaxation or in some cases, drowsiness. So the tracks must not be used while driving or operating machinery. For more information about the 15-minute weight loss program, click the link in the description box below this video now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.